Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to be making homemade banana sauce or banana ketchup, which is used in Filipino spaghetti. So in the pot I have 4 mashed up bananas. To that I'm adding a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a teaspoon of red pepper flakes to make it a little spicy. A half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of soy sauce, and a half a cup of either white vinegar or rice vinegar. I'm using the rice vinegar. And 3 cloves of chopped garlic, finely diced garlic. I'm going to give this a stir. Turn my heat on to a medium. And the riper your bananas are when you use them, the more sweetness you get out of them. I drove over 60 miles to the nearest Asian store. And we started to boil, so we're going to turn the heat down to low. And we're going to let this simmer for 10 minutes. But I drove over 60 miles to an Asian store to find out they were out of the banana ketchup, banana sauce. So I decided I'm going to make my own. So we'll be back when this is done cooking. And see you soon. So my banana sauce is done. Give it a little taste. That's good. That'll be really good in my Filipino spaghetti. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. You'll give it a like. Please subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.